Good morning. Welcome to online classes, Padmavati Degree College. Today we discuss chromatism. So already we discussed chromatism and different cases. So now today we discuss achromatism. So what is the meaning of achromatism? Achromatism means when two lamps are placed in a such a way the image is formed by then is free from chromatic aberration. The combination of lens is called achromatic combination, and that phenomena is known as achromatism. And the phenomena is known as achromatism. Okay. Once again, see, when two lenses are placed in a such a way, the image is formed by them is free from chromatic aberration. The combination of lenses is called achromatic combination, and the phenomena is known as achromatism. Okay, so it is possible a combination of suitable convex lens. It is a combination of suitable convex lens and concave may be free from chromatic aberration. Free from chromatic aberration. Okay, so this type of achromatism, two achromatism of lens, two lenses, that is the following achromatic of two lens, as following. First one, achromatism for two lens contact, and achromatism for two lens separated. Two lens is separated. Okay, achromatism of two lens in the following cases, that is achromatism for two lens is contact, achromatism is for two lens is separated. అంటే two lens మనము ఒకదానితో ఒకటి కాంటాక్ట్ అంటే ఒకదానితో ఒకటి స్ప్రింకేటెడ్గా ఉండేటప్పుడు achromatism అనేది మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం achromatism for two lens is separated. టూ లెన్స్ ని కూడా సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉండేటప్పుడు కూడా మనము achromatism అనేది మనం క్లారిటీగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఫస్ట్ we will discuss achromatism. First we will discuss achromatism for two lens contact. For two lens contact. So let us see. So this is one of the concave lens. This is convex lens. These two lenses are contact with us. These two lenses are contact with us. So this is concave lens. This is the convex lens. So the convex lens having some axial line, and these two lenses are attract to them. Then we will find out 1 by f equals to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. The focal length of chromatic aberration. The focal length of chromatic aberration doublet independent of the reference index. So in such a way, now we calculate achromatism for two lenses is contact. In this way, the focal length of the achromatism is independent of the refractive index of the lens. So now we can write 1 by f equals to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is the lens maker formula. Okay. Now this is equation 1. Now this equation differentiate the above equation, differentiate the above equation, that 1 by f df is equals to du into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Here f is said to be focal length and r1 r2 is the radius of curvature of two lengths, that is convex and concave lengths. So now we discuss 1 by f df, that is derivation du into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. So now dividing equation 2 by 1. Equation 2 by 1. What is the equation of 2? 1 by f df is equals to du into 1 by r minus r1 by 1 by r2, that is equals to 1 by f is equals to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Here 1 by r1 minus r2, numerator and denominator values are cancelled. Therefore 1 by f df by 1 by f equals to du by mu minus 1. So here du by mu minus 1 is equals to omega. So therefore 1 by f df by 1 by f equals to omega, or 1 by f df is equals to omega by f. The fraction of value 1 by f is calculated as, that is multiplication omega by f. Okay, so this is equation 3. This is equation 3. 1 by f df is equals to omega by f. 1 by f df equals to omega by f, or df into 1 by f equals to omega by f. This is equation 3. Now if f1 and f2 focal length is refractive, perspective, and the refractive index mu1 and mu2, the focal length, that is 1 by f equals to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Here f1 and f2 is the focal length of respective lengths, and the focal length of the length is said to be 1 by f equals to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Now derive the above equation, 1 by f df equals to 1 by f1 df plus 1 by f2 df, 1 by f2 df2, or d is equals to d into 1 by f plus d into 1 by f1 plus d into 1 by f2. According to equation 3, d is equals d 1 by f equals to, how can you write, omega by f from equation 3. D into 1 by f equals to omega by f. So therefore d into 1 by f1 is equals to omega by f1, and d into 1 by f2 is equals to omega by f2. That is omega 1 and omega 2. This is omega 2. Okay. So మనం ఏమని రాయొచ్చంటే మనకి ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈక్వేషన్ 3 లో మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ లెన్స్ మేకర్ ఫార్మ్ లో మనం డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే మనకు ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. ఈ రెండింటిని కూడా మనం డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. సో దీని నుంచి 1 by f df or 1 by f into d, that is equal to omega by f. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏవైనా రెండు కటకాల యొక్క నాభ్యంతరాలు f1 f2 అని తీసుకున్నట్టుగైతే వాటికి నాభ్యంతరానికి సమీకరణం ఏంటంటే 1 by f plus 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. ఓకే. that is f1 and f2 are focal length of the lens respectively. Then the lens for the focal length of the formula is said to be 1 by f equals to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So now the equation is derivative, that is 1 by f into d and 1 by f1 into d plus 1 by f2 into d. So that is also can be written as d into 1 by f plus is equal to d into 1 by f1 plus d into 1 by f2. So here according to equation 3, d into 1 by f is equal to omega by f. So దాని ఆధారంగా మనం ఏం తీసుకోవచ్చు, d into 1 by f1 is equal to omega 1 by f1 and d into 1 by f2 is equal to omega 2 by f2. So these values are substituting the above equation. So therefore d into 1 by f is equals to omega 1 by f1 plus omega 2 by f2. Here the focal length, if f is focal length of the achromatism doublet achromatism, the change of focal length is 0. Here the change of focal length is 0. The change of focal length is 0. Therefore omega 1 by f1 plus omega 2 by f2 is equals to 0. That is equal to omega 1 by f1 is equal to minus omega 2 by f2. Omega 2 by f2. That is equals to f1 by f2 is equals to f1 by f2 is equals to minus omega 1 by omega 2. This is the formula when two lenses, achromatism for two lenses are contact. The ratio of focal length is indicates the negative value of power of your length, that is omega 1 by omega 2. This is the focal length should be direct ratio of the is equals to the dispersion power of the lens. So this is the one of the concept. Achromatism for two lenses as following, that is achromatism for two lenses contact. Next we will discuss achromatism for two lenses separated. Okay, next we will discuss achromatism for two lens is separated. Two lens is separated. Now we discuss so let us say, so this is one of the lens, that is omega 1 f1, and next this is separated from distance. So these two lenses are separated from distance. This is omega 2, this is f2, omega 2 f2. Okay, so here let us consider the convex lens of focal length f1 and f2 are separated some distance, that distance is x. In this way the combination of lengths is given by focal length 1 by f equals to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus x by f1 into f2 minus x by f1 into f2. That is derivative the above. This is equation 1. Differentiate the above equation. The above equation, that is equal to d into 1 by f, that is equals to d into 1 by f1 plus d into 1 by f2 minus ఇక్కడ ఏమో తీసుకోవచ్చండి x by f2 into omega by f1 minus x by f1 into omega by f2, omega by f2, that is equals to omega 1 omega 2. Okay, here the value, this is equation 2, this is equation 2. Now we consider okay, we know that what is the value, we know that d into 1 by f equals to omega by f. Therefore d into 1 by f1 is equals to omega 1 by f1, and d into 1 by f2 is equals to omega 2 by f2. Okay, so in this way we can write here d into 1 by f is equals to omega 1 by f1 plus omega 2 by f2 minus x by f2 into omega 1 by f1 x by f1 omega 2 by f2, omega 2 by f2. Here d, here for achromatic of two lengths, d into 1 by f equals to 0. Now omega 1 by f1 plus omega 2 by f2 minus x by f2 into omega 1 by f1 minus x by f1 omega 2 by f2 is equals to 0. Therefore here omega 1 by f1 plus omega 2 by f2 is equals to minus value అటువైపు ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. So that is equals to x by f2 into omega 1 by f1 plus x by f1 into omega 2 by f2. Here the LCM is said to be f1 and f2, that is equals to omega 2 f2 plus omega 1 f1 is equals to, here x is the common term, therefore omega 1 by f2 f1 plus omega 2 by f1 f2. f1 f2 are that can be written as here omega 2 into f2 plus omega 1 into f1 by f1 f2, and that will be written as omega 1 plus omega 2 by f1 into f2. So here f1 f2 and f2 at both hands is equal. Now that is cancelled. Omega 2 f2 plus omega 1 f1 is equals to x into omega 1 plus omega 2. Here x is equals to omega 2 f2 plus omega 1 f1 by omega 1 plus omega 2. Here two lengths is equals, that is omega 1 is equals to omega 2 is equals to omega. Omega, therefore the equation, that is here two lengths, the power of the lengths omega 1 omega 2 is equal, that is omega. So therefore omega f2 plus omega f1 by omega 1 plus omega. Here the common term omega f2 plus f1 by 2 omega. Therefore omega is cancelled. So therefore f2 by f1 by 2. This is the achromatic. X is equals to, here x is equals to the separated distance. This is the formula of achromatic abbreviation for two lengths is separated some distance. The distance x is equal to f2 plus f1 by 2. Okay, this is the one of the concept achromatism. So Here we will discuss the separated distance x is equal to f2 plus f1 by 2. So here f1 is said to be the first length of the focal length and f2 is said to be second length of the focal length. Okay. Next class we will discuss about spherical aberration. Thank you. Okay.